like the bubbles.
I'm going to try and pop one.
I'm going to get it. Got it. I missed.
Nice.
Happy. So I got me the... Niantic Inn. Never noticed that. They must got small rooms in there. So here we are in Niantic. Heading not just to the beach or the Canal Mile to walk. Nice town here in the shoreline east. Let's check out what's up in the Niantic Bay over here. All the way. I can go for an ice cream right now. Gumdrops, lollipops, sweet shop. Ooh. Lighthouse Volcano Center. They had this in Groton and they did a lot of changes and they came here to Niantic. They have an office in New London and they're no longer in Groton, but that's where I started when I was not just getting kicked out of 7th grade, just to go there from 9 to 6. But other than that, I say I was impressed with Lighthouse. I got a lot of amazing stories to tell about Lighthouse. Niantic Bay Apartments. Niantic Cinemas. Never noticed I was ever there. Yep, that's right. They got the train. They used to have a stop, but not anymore. Alright. Nice town. They're having a good day. It's a nice day out. So, finally found the restaurant. I want to take you next time to Constantine's on the Bay. That's right, Constantine's on the Bay. They have really good food here. So beautiful, fine dining out here on the deck by the ocean. Best sea. Such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Can't figure out how to get over there. Other fine dining over here. Forgot the name of that restaurant right there, but again, this is Niantic, Shoreline East. They got a lot of amazing things. Our fine dining and eating by the shore and watching the boats. So, listening to the waves. Yeah, I've never heard of Niantic Cinema here. Before we get to the boardwalk, why don't we go to Gumdrops, Lollipops, and get some ice cream? Why not? I remember these back in the day. And these picks and sticks. I like that. Beach rules. happy. So I got me the duck cake. Now heading to the bay over here. It says it's over here somewhere. The last sign there says one along the beach. And then there's a boardwalk. So this right here leads to a one big huge mile of a boardwalk over here, and it's nice. You go walk in, you do a thing of ice cream or Gatorade, do your fitness here on the mile. Enjoy this view while you can.
Very pretty.
Oh, thank you. Until next time I come back, it's going to get a lot more fun because now I'm looking at my video photography, y'all. I just did some cute ones with some bubbles. You know, I want to give me like a bubble machine so I can make it even bigger and better for me. So, now that I'm looking into myself there and being my inner peace and being good for my mental health and mentality, feeling good for myself. So that's what matters, and I'm gonna start doing what I'm going doing. But in the meantime, about my move and new changes and new beginnings for me. So stay tuned for my video photography because I want to start working with others for that. Alright, till next time. Yeah, here in New London. This is gonna be my new spot over here where we're gonna be at in a moment. Like that cute waterfall right there. I was looking for to get away today and go see the mussel so that they have at the ocean beach, but something came up next time. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. This is like my brand new spot right here. Alright, so anyways, we're here at this lovely water view here. I just want to express to you guys that this was an amazing day today. I've been trying to get up to Niantic for a minute, other than creating for my life story, but this is what I'm going to start doing. Bits and pieces of me doing some shorts, reels, or whatever it's called, and learning a lot about editing and doing so much things and sharing and exploring and taking adventures and showing you guys only bits and pieces until the rest of it is completed. It's been taking me a good year and I'm literally postponing it. But I'm going to be doing a little bit this year and comparing to next year and my afterlife. So stay tuned to so many things and adventures and so many things. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog today in my Shoreline East in the area where I grew up. Where I'm going to be showing you guys lovely content and things. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow the links in my bio. And follow my journey and subscribe to my channel. Sending you a peace and love.